Commendable job done by our army personnel and defense personnel, and we have to appreciate them. We'll stand by them under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. We will stand by you, sir, and whatever you have taken, whatever decision, bold action, bold decision you take, we're going to stand by you. We are with you. At the same time, Prachekinchi, this is a time of war, not a full-blown war, but it is a protracted war, which will continue for a long time. And Pakistan should be taught a tough lesson, because they are the ones who are harboring these terrorists. No matter where a bomb blast happens, including in Hyderabad, including in Lumbini Park a decade plus back, in Gokul Chat, this has become a menace. I think under the new leadership of Modi ji, the tough leadership of Modi ji, central government will take a decisive action on any kind of terrorism and any kind of terrorism act. At the same time, I appeal to all the people of our nation, as a civilian person, when military is waging a war, what we have to do? Military యుద్ధం చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయగలం అని అనుకున్నప్పుడు ప్రతి సివిలియన్ కూడా, including all the civilians of our nation, we have a role to play. Make sure any kind of anti-national rhetoric happens on social media. Make sure you give a counter-attack. Make sure they'll be brought to justice. Make sure you'll be conveyed to the relevant cybercrime departments. And also, please make sure we'll file cases on them. And also, I have conveyed to our DGP also today morning, anybody from the state of Andhra Pradesh, anyone who goes anti-national and who goes against this war, will be booked under very severe cases, and they have to be reminded they belong. Any kind of attack on a nation from outside or within nation will be taken quite seriously. They have to take this into consideration, and they have, especially celebrities, especially who think their social media influencers, don't comment about army. You don't know the ABC of how to safeguard the borders of this nation. You never know. So, as the dogs are barking right now, simply don't bark on social media anything about entire nation. Please don't bark on social media without having any understanding about national security. So this is what I appeal to all the social media influencers. Stern action will be taken in against you. Please, this is what our request to you all. And also, at this time of in these tough times, we stand by Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji and the BJP-led NDA government, and we'll stand by you and we will be with you, no matter how long it takes, till the last terrorist is wiped out from this country. Thank you.
మీరు మొన్న మాట్లాడుతూ ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ చేశారు, పాకిస్తాన్ కు అనుకూలంగా మాట్లాడే నాయకులు ఎవరున్నా దేశంలో